In a small, quiet town surrounded by green hills, there lived a boy named Waleed. He was just like any other kid, playful, curious, and full of dreams. But there was one thing he couldn't do well: focus. No matter how hard he tried, books felt like puzzles with missing pieces. His grades kept falling, and slowly, his confidence did too. One afternoon, after school, Waleed went to his philosophy teacher, Mr. Harris. He looked nervous, but determined. "Sir," he said softly, "I try to study, but my mind never listens. I can't focus. What should I do?" Mr. Harris smiled and said, "Waleed, let me show you something." He placed a glass bottle filled with muddy water on the table. "What do you see?" he asked. "Dirty water," Waleed replied. Mr. Harris said, "Now let it rest." After a while, the dirt settled down and the water turned clear. Mr. Harris smiled. "This is your mind, Waleed. When your thoughts are scattered, everything looks confusing. But when you stay calm, everything becomes clear." The next day, Mr. Harris lit a small candle and said, "Now focus on this flame. Don't let your mind wander. Just watch." At first, Waleed's thoughts ran wild. Exams, games, friends. But slowly, he began to see nothing except the flame. For the first time, his mind was quiet. "That's the power of focus," Mr. Harris said. "When your attention stays in one place, even the impossible becomes possible." Days turned to weeks. Waleed practiced every day, breathing, focusing, learning slowly. He didn't study harder, he studied smarter. He broke big lessons into small parts. He stopped memorizing and started understanding. He gave time every day, even when he didn't feel like it. And soon, things changed. His grades improved. His confidence returned. He began to love the process of learning. Years later, Waleed stood on a stage, giving a speech to hundreds of students. He said, "I once believed I wasn't smart enough, but all I needed was a calm mind and consistent focus." Your mind has incredible power, but only when you learn to control it. Be calm, be consistent, be focused. Because when your mind becomes still, your life becomes clear. The power of a focused mind. A story that reminds us clarity begins within.